In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 168 by 4 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 4, that is why we will consider the number 16. From the multiplication table of 4, we know that 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract, we get 0. Now 0 is less than 4, that is why we need to bring down this number 8 here. Now see that this is the number 8. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 168 divided by 4 is equal to 42. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.